Hi friends, today I just going to share you one thing, that is what is dream and what is goal. Most of the people are too much confused about this matter regarding dream and goal. I just clarify all the things today. You may be the good dreamer. Who are the dreamer? When you sleep, you may dream something. And the most secure place in your life, that is you can see the dream easily, that is nowhere but your washroom. When you sit on the commode, no one disturbing you, your mind is very much fresh, and you are thinking that you are the billionaire and you are the richest person in the world. That kind of dream already try to boost you inside the four walls, inside the washroom. But when you come out after flash, everything forget. So most of the people who are compromising their dream in their total life, in their childhood, somehow the parents injected that you should be a doctor and an engineer. In the time period, in the time being, when they think that it's not my cup of tea, then they compromise themselves that I have to do like this. After going some path of their life, when they think that it is not my cup of tea, then they will again adjust the dream. But friend, today I just sharing you a great secret of life. How do you achieve that? If you are a perfect dreamer, you never be achiever. But if you are a perfect dreamer, if you convert your dream into a goal, then you definitely reach there. So today I just saying you all secrets of that dream and goal. If a person think himself that I have to score 5 goals in a football match, in the morning for practice, he went to the field, he has a football, he is running for the goal, but suppose he has seen there is no bar post. He has all dreams, he has all the ability to score the goal, but there is no bar post. Dream and goals are like this. If you consider that I am the scorer, I have to score 5 goals, that is your dream. If you want to score, if you score, then you need some bar post. But there is no bar post, that is your goal. So, you are very much upset to think that here is no bar post, how may I reach there? How may I kick into the bar post? It's not possible. So friends, I'm telling you, these two things are related to each other. Only we are concentrating about one thing, that is dream, not for the goal. How you convert your dream to a goal? I just say you, if you put a perfect date on your dream, that is it convert to a goal. You just want to grab a car, you want to purchase a car, particular car. So it's your dream. And in which date, if I ask you in which date you are going to purchase? No, I'm thinking, I'm planning. A planning will remain planning. It never be actually concrete in your life. Just you fix a date on 2022, I just going to purchase a car on the December 31st. That is your concrete thing, concrete decision. And you verbalize to everyone that I am going to purchase a car on 2022, 31st December. So if you verbalize that thing, it will last to you, you have to purchase. Otherwise everybody ignore you. So for first set your dream, then put a date on it, that is 31st December 2022, I just going to purchase a car. That dream turns to goal. When you verbalize, it will give you more motivation from your inner soul that you have to reach there. Then what to do? Dream is a completely abstract thing. You can't touch it. Only you can feel it. You can't touch it. But if you want to touch it, if it will be the concrete thing, then you may feel, before you reaching that goal, you can feel your destination. How? Then you purchase the replica of the particular car. You purchase a small one from the market and keep it just in front of your eyes. When you wake up in the morning, you just definitely see that. And write down on bold letter, that is 31st December 2022, you going to purchase that thing. Each and every day you can see, you can touch, you can feel, then it will boost up your energy to go there, how and how fast you can reach. That is the main thing of life. Why most of the people compromising their dream? Because they have no idea how to convert from dream to goal. So friends, I'm giving you total policy how to reach there, what is dream, what is goal, and how to reach there. If you have a long-term dream, then you definitely keep it some parts. You want to become a big person, you want to get a good job in your life, then definitely you take a beautiful photograph, beautiful snap, beautiful picture of yours with necktie and coat, etc., and make a frame of it and keep it just in front of your eyes. When you wake up, you can see that I am this one day I'll be this person. Today I may be here, but one day would be this person. It will give you more energy, and you feel more hungry to reach there. That's why I'm telling you, you make it concrete. Dream turns to goal, and make it concrete and reach there. Okay? So friends, I'm telling you very frankly, I'll come again to give you some extraordinary tips how to reach there. Today I just finishing here, but I'm saying you very frankly, please subscribe my video, like me, share the video if you like. So I given all the informations to you. More informations I keeping for you in my grid. In next video I definitely express that matter. Okay, thank you a lot, and don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you, friends.